Hello, my dear friends. I'm Kajal Nagrade. You're welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English with Kajal. If you're new to this YouTube channel, do like, share, subscribe, and please suggest your friends. Let's start. Today we are going to solve the question and answers given in the textbook of 1.6 The Alchemy of Nature. Your first question is rearrange the good qualities in a set so that the first letter of each of the words should make a meaningful word. Join the sets and get मैसेज सी यहाँ पे कुछ सेट दिए है वर्ड्स के, तो उनके जो इनिशियल लेटर्स है तो उनसे हमें एक मीनिंगफुल वर्ड बनाना है. सो द आवर फर्स्ट वर्ड इज़ द नेचर, बिकॉज UATNER इनसे मीनिंगफुल वर्ड बनता है नेचर. सेकेंड जो है सेल्फलेस एंड इंस्पायरिंग का जो फर्स्ट इनिशियल लेटर है दैट इज़ द S&I, इससे बनता है इज़. देन थर्ड यूथफुल एंड मॉडेस्ट से बनता है माई. एंड लास्ट वर्ड दैट इज़ द affectionate, compassionate, empathetic, earnest, honest, reliable and truthworthy. So इससे वर्ड बनता है टीचर. And our sentence is the nature is my teacher. Okay, so this is the first question. We are going to solve warming up, margin questions and English workshop. Second question is various aspects of nature have special features that make them differ from one another. For example is given here of the birds. It means we have to write down the features. One example of bird is given here, that is the appearance, shape, color, size, everything etc. We have to write down about the land. So aspects of land are given here, that is the geographical feature, colors, shapes, appearance, chemical composition and uses. Second thing, that is of water. So features of waters are width and length of various water bodies, chemical compositions, likewise sweet water, salted water etc. Then colors according to the sand beds, then rocks, coral reefs, variety of sea creatures. Third word is the trees, and features of the trees are height and shape of leaves, changing or unchanging color during seasons, fruits, flowers, medicinal product, types of soil, climate and habitat required for their existence. That is last but one is the animals, and its features are shape, size and color, different habitat kinds, likewise wild or domestic or etc. And last word, that is the insects, that are the shape, size, colors, number of legs, different habitat, sound and uses. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज सी डियर स्टूडेंट्स, जो डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स है मैंने उसमें आपको इस लेसन का जो एक्सप्लेनेशन है, हिंदी एक्सप्लेनेशन, उसका भी लिंक दिया है, एंड ऑल द वीडियोज ऑफ 10th क्लास का भी लिंक दिया है. Our next question is what things in nature teach us the following. It means ये जो नीचे दी गई है तो वो हमें नेचर में क्या क्या सिखाती है. जैसे कि नथिंग इज इम्पॉसिबल टू अचीव, हमें कौन सिखाता है? एंट सिखाती है. देन प्रॉब्लम्स आर नॉट परमानेंट, ये कौन सिखाता है? ट्रीज दैट आर वेयर इन विंटर. नेक्स्ट जो है बी हम्बल एंड एडजस्ट, तो ये हम किससे सीखते हैं? वाटर से. देन मेक द बेस्ट यूज ऑफ टाइम एंड अपॉर्चुनिटी, ये हम सीखते हैं फ्लावर्स से. देन बी परसिस्टेंट सीखते हैं हम वाटर से. मेनी हैंड्स मेक वर्क लाइट, एंड से सीखते हैं. देन डेलिकेट स्ट्रक्चर्स आर नॉट अ साइन ऑफ वीकनेस, ये सब हम सीखते हैं स्पाइडर वेब से. दिस ऑल थिंग्स ऑलरेडी आई हैड एक्सप्लेन इन दी लेसन. रीड द क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम द लेसन, व्हाट डू दे इम्प्लाई. जो क्वेश्चंस दिए हैं तो ये क्या इम्प्लाई करते हैं? योर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज आर यू लिसनिंग. इट इम्प्लाइज दैट वन मस्ट लिसन, यानी कि सबने सुनना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इफ वी लिव आवर लिव्स हाउएवर शॉर्ट to its fullest. Your answer is it implies that we should live our lives to the fullest however short they may be. And third question, that is what if two are consistent, organized or focused. It implies that we too could do wonders if we are consistent, organized and focused. The next question is of web diagram. Go through the lesson again and complete the flow chart that highlights the life of a hibiscus flowers. Okay, so your first word is blooms. उसकी जो लाइफ दिया है हमारे लेसन में तो हमें उसको बताना है. सो पहला होता है वो ब्लूम करता है, देन विल्ट्स, देन विदर्स एंड देन लास्ट वन इज द फॉल्स. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो है वेब डायग्राम. क्वेश्चन इज गिवन हियर, व्हाट डज नेचर डू फॉर ह्यूमन बींग्स. One thing is given here that motivates. Second thing, it soothes us. Then third one is the nurtures us, then commands to humans, then inspires us, then teaches us, and then whispers, and then next one is the fulfills our needs. Next question, the write and explain the contrasting features of water and rock. In the lesson, write all the features of both water and rock given in the table. So first thing, that is gentle. वाटर जो है वो gentle है. नेक्स्ट नंबर पे वो persistent है. एज कम्पेयर टू जेंटल, वाटर रॉक जो है वो हार्ड है, वाटर परसिस्टेंट है, रॉक हम्बल है। देन वाटर प्रिजर्वियरेंस से काम करता है, रॉक जो है ओबीडियंट है, एंड वाटर जो है वो डिटरमाइंड है, लेकिन रॉक जो है वो एडेप्टेबल है। Next question. The writer has very positively described the different things in nature. Discuss with your partner the special features of each of the add on the list. देखिए यहाँ पे कुछ नेचर के पार्ट्स लिखने हैं, उनके फीचर्स लिखने हैं और उनसे हम क्या सीखते हैं वो लिखना है। ओके, सो सबसे पहले इन्होंने दिया है रेनबो, तो उसका स्पेशल फीचर क्या है? चेयरफुलनेस एंड एक्सेप्टेंस। और हम क्या सीखते हैं? इवन व्हेन देयर आर प्रॉब्लम्स इन द सराउंडिंग वी मस्ट बी चेयरफुल एंड स्प्रेड कलर्स एंड हैप्पीनेस। नेक्स्ट जो दिया है यहाँ पे कैटरपिलर दिया है पार्ट ऑफ द नेचर, इसका स्पेशल फीचर है पेशेंस और एक्सेप्टेंस, एंड हम उससे क्या सीखते हैं? देयर इज़ अ ब्राइट एंड ब्यूटीफुल फ्यूचर अहेड। ओके, ये हम सीखते हैं। देन दिया है हिबिस्कस फ्लावर, तो उसका जो स्पेशल फीचर है ऑप्टिमिज्म एंड चेयरफुलनेस, इससे हम सीखते हैं हावेवर शॉर्ट लाइफ में बी वी मस्ट लिव इट टू द फुलेस्ट। नेक्स्ट थिंग दैट इज रॉक, इसका स्पेशल फीचर ओबीडियंस टू नेचर, एडजस्टमेंट एंड ह्यूमिलिटी, एंड व्हाट वी लर्न फ्रॉम इट? ओबे द कमांड्स ऑफ नेचर, एडजस्ट द सिचुएशन एंड बी हम्बल। Next part of the nature, that is bits of grass, its special feature is optimism, perseverance, and what we learn, however impossible things may look, there is an opening. Next part of the nature is bear tree, its special feature is optimism, faith, conviction, and we will learn from this, however difficult things are in the present, it will not remain so forever. With conviction we should remain ourselves that this too will pass. Then last thing, that is the part of nature, this is water, and its special feature is perseverance, determination, humility, and we learn from the water even colossal problems can be surmounted if we persist. And second thing, learn to adapt to others without any hint of the ego. So these all things we learn from these all parts of the nature. You can take this screenshot of this also. Next question is of how should you deal with difficulties and problems? Your answer is, when I come across problems in my life, I turn towards nature for inspiration. I try to understand how the different elements in nature deal with the difficulties and try to solve my own problems in the same way. Next question is, an oyster turns a grain of sand into a pearl. What can we learn from this example? Your answer is, we learn that there is a mysterious power or magic in nature that can change things dramatically. Third question is, how does nature succeed in its alchemy? What can it turn a small person into? Our answer is, nature succeeds in its alchemies by changing things in a mysterious way. It can turn a small person into anything he or she wishes. One touches nature and becomes gold oneself. Already we had learned this in the lesson. Next question. Which two aspects of nature teach us to accept change and adapt according to the situation? Answer is, with gentle humility, water changes its form according to the dictates of the sun and wind. The bare trees wait patiently during the winter months for the arrival of spring when they get fresh green leaves. These two aspects of nature teach us to accept change and adjust according to the situation. Next question is, why does the writer begin with quoting the lines from the William Blake's poem? So answer is, these lines show that if we pause to reflect, there is much beauty in nature and plenty that we can learn from it. The write-up expands on the same idea, thus reflecting the philosophy of the poetic lines by William Blake. Next question is, pick out from the lesson 10 examples of each. Then concrete nouns we have to write down here that we can see or touch. First example it is given here, that is of sand. And remaining 10 examples are flower, ocean, rock, water, bird, ant, oyster, pearl, caterpillar and butterfly. Students, see, don't forget to take the screenshot of all the questions and answers. Then we have to write down the 10 examples of abstract noun. One example is given here, that is the infinity. Second one is the imagination, then joy, significance, perseverance, difference, awe, majesty, conviction and passion. See, I had told you to take the screenshot of each and every question because that will be the more beneficial for you to write down and to learn the questions. Underline the verbs. Next question, underline the verbs in the sentence below and say whether they are transitive or intransitive. Transitive means needs an object and intransitive means need not have an object. So let's see, first sentence is one can witness and experience the beauty of heaven. So our verbs are the witness and experience, and these two verbs are the transitive verbs. Second sentence, it leaves me in a complete awe. Our verb is the leave and this is the intransitive verb. Third sentence, nature soothes and nurtures. Your verbs are the soothes and nurtures and verb is the intransitive. It withers completely. Next sentence, in this withers is the verb and this verb is the intransitive verb. Next sentence is the flower comes to life only for a day, and this is the, in this sentence comes is the verb and this is the intransitive verb. In next sentence, a rainbow colors the entire sky. Colors is the verb and this is the transitive verb. And last sentence is smiles and dances. Smiles and dances both are the verbs and both are the intransitive verbs. Compose about 8 to 9 sets of imaginary dialogue between a bird, a tree and its fruits regarding the effect of environmental changes. Write it in your notebook. सी देखिए, हमें आपको यहाँ पे क्या करना है, कन्वर्सेशन के 8 से 10 सेट बनाने छोटे छोटे, जिसमें कि बर्ड का, ट्री का और फ्रूट का ये हो रहा है, डिस्कशन होना है, कन्वर्सेशन हो रहा है किसी टॉपिक को लेके. तो यहाँ पे मैंने 2 सेट दिए हैं और आप जो है अपने मन से इसके बाकी के रिमेनिंग सेट बना सकते हो. इट इज़ वेरी ईजी. You can take the screenshot of this, because after seeing the sentences or after reading this you can prepare your own conversations with the help of this type of examples. Next question is, prepare a fact file of any of the following plants or trees using the point given. Coconut, neem, basil, cactus and apple. We are going to hear made a fact file of the coconut. Coconut का fact file बनाने जा रहे हैं. With the help of given points we have to make the fact file. You can take the screenshot. I have mentioned in this page names, scientific name, region and climate, features. Okay, take the screenshot of this. It will be more easy to you. And these are the remaining features of the fact file. In this I have written growth, then uses and any special feature, the remaining special feature. In uses I have written down the coral and leaves, hard outer shell, inside of the shell and husks and leaves. This is the remaining portion of the fact file. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इम्पॉसिबल इट सेज आई एम पॉसिबल. डू यू एग्री? क्या आप इस सेंटेंस के साथ एग्री हो? इम्पॉसिबल में खुद ही आई एम पॉसिबल वर्ड है. जस्टिफाई योर आंसर बाय साइटिंग समथिंग दैट यू हैव एक्सपीरियंस और हर्ड फ्रॉम समवन. कुछ ऐसे बता कि हमें इस बात को प्रूव करना है. सो योर आंसर इज यस, आई एग्री, इट इज़ पॉसिबल टू डू द मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट थिंग providing we have the will and conviction to do so. The example that comes to my mind as justification is that of सुधा चंद्रन द डांसर. आपने सुने होगा सुधा चंद्रन के बारे में. थ्रू हर लेग वॉज एम्प्यूटेड बिलो द नी. With great grit and determination, she restarted dancing and went on to become a famous dancer and actress. This shows that one can do things which seems to be impossible. Your next question is, you had an environment protection week celebration in your school. You have invited an environmentalist. Your friend interviews him or her about how to save the environment. आपने आपके स्कूल में एक एनवायरनमेंट प्रोटेक्शन वीक सेलिब्रेट किया जा रहा है और उसमें एक एनवायरमेंटलिस्ट को इंटरव्यू के लिए बुलाया है. तो उसमें जो आपके फ्रेंड है वो क्या कर रहे हैं, हाउ टू सेव एनवायरनमेंट पे उनका इंटरव्यू ले रहे हैं. सो दिस इज़ द एनवायरमेंटलिस्ट और आपके फ्रेंड का जो डिस्कशन है, जिस जय नाम का फ्रेंड है एंड मिस्टर अली जो है एनवायरमेंटलिस्ट है. सो दिस वॉज द डिस्कशन विच इज़ गोइंग ऑन इन बिटवीन देम अबाउट द हाउ टू सेव द एनवायरमेंट. This is the remaining discussion. You can take the screenshot of this also. Next question, write a news report on the environment day celebrated in your school. This is the news report. I have written here title, then the name of the place and then date, and then detailed information that whatever happened in that celebration, whatever celebrated, who were present there, who were participated in that celebration and each and everything. जैसे न्यूज़पेपर रिपोर्ट में यानी कि जैसे न्यूज़पेपर में आता है उसी तरीके से इसको लिखा गया है. How does the hibiscus flower make the most of its short lifespan? These are the margin questions. Answer is, The hibiscus flower smiles with the sun and dances with the wind. The flower comes to life only for a day, yet it makes the most of the day by living its short life in full splendor with big, bright, and tender blooms. Next question is, what role does nature play in our lives? Answer is, nature nurtures, soothes, fulfills, whispers, inspires, teaches, commands, and motivates us. Next question is, who is stronger, water or rocks? Justify your response. I think water is stronger. It wears down the hard rock by its gentle patience, persistence, and perseverance. And last question is, what teaches us that hard times do not last forever? So answer is, and how? Answer is, the following things teach us that hard times do not last forever. Bits of grass peeping through small cracks in concrete pavement, and the green leaves on a tree in spring. The grass had been nearly destroyed by the concrete but had come to life again. The tree had been bare all through the cold winter month before regaining its former majesty. So with this we have completed our lesson. We will meet in the next video. मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में आपको लेसन का एक्सप्लेनेशन का भी लिंक दिया है और 10th क्लास के सारे जो वीडियोज़ है उसका भी लिंक दिया है. अगर आप इस यूट्यूब चैनल को नए हैं तो प्लीज़ डू लाइक एंड शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. आपके फ्रेंड्स को भी सजेस्ट कीजिए so that you can get the notification. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.